Did you know that selling a house in probate can be a complex process? Hey there, I'm Mark from Equity Investments. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're tackling a topic that talks about probate properties. We'll explore the benefits of selling quickly to real estate investors. Selling a house in probate can pose various challenges. From navigating complex legal requirements to dealing with time constraints, the process can be overwhelming for many individuals. However, there's a solution: selling your probate property to real estate investors. By choosing this route, you can enjoy several advantages. Real estate investors specialize in purchasing properties quickly, offering a hassle-free alternative to traditional listings. Key factors make selling to real estate investors a great option for probate properties. These investors can provide quick cash offers, allowing you to expedite the sale process and avoid lengthy delays. Additionally, they often require minimal repairs, saving you time and money. In summary, selling a house in probate doesn't have to be daunting. By selling to real estate investors, you can unlock the potential of your property and achieve a fast, hassle-free sale. For more personalized assistance and tailored solutions, visit our website at equityprobatehelp.com. We're here to help every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and here's to your property's brighter future. For even more tips, tricks, and valuable insights, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, head over to our website for a treasure trove of resources to guide you through this challenging time. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out this other great video that I picked out just for you. Remember, we are here to help.